Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Our topic for today is about roof by extrusion. We have already completed our discussions about roof by footprints, and now we're moving to another type of roof, that is roof by extrusion. And what we're going to do today is we're going to discuss about dormer. Okay guys, before we continue, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get started. Now my Revit is open, and next that I will do, I'm going to open this part 5 gambrel roof that we have created last time. I open it. Now it's open. Next that I will do, I'm going to open this roof from project browser. I will open this roof. I double click it, and from roof, next I'm going to edit these footprints. I will edit it and go to this uh, uh, modify roof, and then from ribbon tab, I'll click this edit footprints, and then from edit footprints, now it's open. And then I will delete this, and then delete this arrow, delete this line, and then delete this other line. And then next, I'll go to this ribbon tab and go to this modify tab, modify, and click this trim extend corner, or 3TR for shortcuts. And then I'll trim these two. And then we need to finish this. And then in 3D, it's like this. And then next, I go back to roof, and now I'll go to this architecture tab, and I'm going to make a reference plane. Then I'll make a reference plane and go to this pick a line, and I will offset it around maybe point 50 or 0.5 meters. And then I click it here, and then I'll name this reference plane reference 1. Okay, I'll rename it. It is already, I'll rename it reference 2 because it was already used. I will use this one and name this one ref, maybe ref A. And then next I'm going to do is I'll go to this project browser and open this south elevation, or I will click this south here, double click it, and open it. Now south is open. Next that I will do is I'm going to do again another reference plane and locate the center of this building. And then next I'll go to this reference plane, and again I go to create similar, and I'll go to this pick a line, and then I'm going to offset this into 1 meter. 1 meter here, or make it more, make it 2 meters, 2 meters here, and 2 meters here at the back. Then next that I'm going to do is I'll go and make another reference plane, and I'm going to offset it around maybe 1 meter from the bottom of the roof. Then okay. And then next I'll go to architecture tab, and I'll go to this roof by footprints roof, and I will select this roof down arrow, and I will select this roof by extrusion. And then I'm going to select a work plane, and our work plane is reference A, and then okay. And then okay, I'll accept this default roof. And then next we're going to make a line. From here I go 30 degrees. Okay, and also here I'll go 30 degrees also, join them. And then I'll go to this basic roof, and I'm going to select this maybe this generic 125, and then okay, finish edit mode, and then done. And this is our roof by extrusion that we have created. And then next that I'm going to do is going to change this extrusion. Maybe I will make it only 0.5, then apply. And then what I'm going to do is I go to this modify tab and go to this joint and joint roof. I'll select this and click this side, and then click the roof, and there is our dormer. Now next that I'm going to do is maybe this is short. I'll go back to south to roof, and I want this to be extended more. Maybe I'll place it here. I'll make some line DI, maybe some difference only of around 0.20. Oh, it's okay, it's 0.20 meters, and in 3D it is like this. And then I go to this top of roof, and now next that I'm going to do, we're going to create a wall. Now I'll go to this wall, and then okay, I'll select a basic wall, and okay, let's select this generic 90 mm bricks. And then next is we need to have an offset. I will offset this and check this. Make an offset of I will uncheck this chain, and I will make an offset of maybe 0.30, and then I'll basic wall again, make a line, pick a line, and then I'll pick it here, and then pick it there on this side, and then also I'll pick it on this side also, and then there is our wall. And then I'll go hit escape twice, and then I go to 3D, and there is our wall. Okay, And then I'll just select this. I'll select it all. Tab, tab, select it all because there is an offset of 1.5. Make it 0. Apply. And here is our wall. And then next that I'm going to do is I'm going to attach these two top base. I hit this attach top base and attach these to this roof. And there is our wall. And then next that I'm going to do is again I'm going to select all this wall, and then I'll again attach top base, and I'm going to change this top to base, and then I'm going to this and then select this roof, and then as you can see let's see, so we need to hide this. I'll just go to the south, the front, and then I'll select all of this, and then I'll make a temporary hide elements so that we can see the bottom part. So we're going to hide this also, hide elements, and there is our roof. It is connected there, and the base of this one is connected into this roof. And then next that we're gonna do is we'll make a dormer hole. Then I'll go to this roof, and then I'll go to this architecture and select this dormer. I select this dormer, and then I'll select this roof. Wrong. Again, I select this dormer, and then this roof, and then I'll go and pick a wall edge. I'll pick this one, and then this wall, and then this wall, and then again this wall, and select this wall, and then I'm going to touch this line because I want this one inside, so I hit this escape twice, and there is a double arrow here, and I select this one so that this one will go inside, and then also here you have to select this and go to this double arrow just to, and then also this one, put it there inside. Then I'll go to this roof, and then I'll go to this trim extent, and then trim, and this one also, and then here and there, and also, and then let's finish this, finish edit mode, and then now we go to 3D, and there is our hole, there is our hole at the bottom of the roof. Now next we can also make a window here if you want. I will create a window, and in window you can select any window and you can place it here, maybe here windows, and also in this window, and I go to this south elevation, and then I'll make this DI, and then make it equal, and there is the window, and then DI. Let's check this height of this from the bottom of this window. I'll make it exactly 20.2. Make it and make it 0.2, and also this one. Just delete this and go to modify and align, and then here is our final product. Now guys, next that I'm going to do is I'm going to reset this temporary height. I will reset it, and that's it. Here is our finished product, and there is our dormer. And then next that I'm going to do is I'm going to place a material from this roof, and then from this structure I'll go to edit tab, edit, and then in edit, from this structure row and from material, I will select this and go to this builder tab, and then I'm going to select this wood shake, and then okay, and then okay, apply, and then okay, and now I click outside, and here is our finished product. That is our roof, and here is our dormer. Here is our roof by extrusion. Alright guys, that's it for today, and see you again on my next video. Till we meet again, Firmilengke.